Hello everyone. I figured I'd do a little episode today. I'm working on the boat and it's cold. It's like 34 degrees out. Um, you can see that I got it all tarped, all the boat all tarped up and the mast down because we're going to do a lot of mast work over the winter. Um, but today's project is this area right here. I'm going to take out this auto helm because it just wasn't working for us. It's when we have it on, it's got a weird beeping noise constantly, and I chased the wires and everything and I couldn't find anything. So what we did is we bought the Simrad Go9 and I'm gonna install that right here, using this template, and cut that out and just mount it in here. I'm not gonna leave it in there for the winter, but I'm gonna have the hole cut. I'll cover up the hole and we'll go from there. Okay, as you can see, I got the auto helm out, disconnected it, unscrewed the bolts and everything on the back side. Pops out pretty easy. And this is the hole it was. It's probably about a 2-inch hole. Is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off this corner and I'm gonna do it from here to about right here because I want the Simrad unit up as high as possible. That way it's not real down real far and I can just use this hole for the cutout. Okay, there's my template. I think that's how it's gonna be. I got this corner. I only have electrical tape with me. I'm not running all the way back home just for some other tape. But anyways, how I got this corner is, you can see it, just using that corner and cutting that right out there. So that'll be about the position that it's in. It's square. I put a level on it and everything, so I'll just mark that and cut that out, and then it should sit in there pretty nice. Okay, I got it all marked out. And that's how it's gonna look. Use that hole, get rid of that hole, and just get set up and we'll get cutting. All right, this is what I got to cut it. I've used it, I don't even know what it's called, a receptacle saw or whatever. But this is what I'm gonna use. It works pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Well, there it is. It didn't go too bad. I think I'm gonna have to sand it down a little bit to make it a little bit more smoother, but I think it went pretty good. And there, it's all in, nice and flush. Like I said before, it's not mounted, like it's not screwed in. It doesn't have the seal around it or anything. I just put it in there so the hole is cut. I'm gonna take it out because obviously we're gonna be working on the boat all winter, and I don't want it sitting in here. But then again, it has the sun shield. You can pop right over it, pop right off. So, other than that, I think it went by pretty good so far. Also, while I'm here, I just wanted to get a quick update on our slats that we redid. We put the glass in them, redid with the wood. There's two pieces. Before it was 3 slats with no windows. So that's our new slats. They need painted again, sanded and painted, but they're in there. They fit nice. That way we could see out. If it's raining, we're not all locked in there.